Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel. Today, again we have an exciting product to review, the Vivo V29 5G, a new mid-range smartphone from Vivo that promises to deliver a stunning camera experience, great design, and powerful performance. Come on guys, join with me and let's find out what this phone can offer. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The Vivo V29 5G is the successor to the Vivo V27, which was launched earlier this year. This phone comes with some notable upgrades such as a higher resolution display, a faster chipset, an IP68 rating, and a new Aura Light feature on the back. It also retains some of the strengths of the V27 such as a 50 megapixel selfie camera, a 4600 battery, and an 80 watts fast charging support. However, it also has some drawbacks such as a single speaker, a lack of wireless charging, and a mid-core video stabilization. Now, how does it compare to the competition? Let's dive into the details. This phone has a stunning design with a glass front and back and a metal frame. The back has a gradient color effects and a circular camera module that houses 3 lenses and a ring LED flash. The most eye-catching feature, however, is the Aura Light, which is a separate set of LEDs that can change color and brightness according to the ambient light or your preference. You can also customize the Aura Light to show different patterns such as a heartbeat, a rainbow, or a starry sky. The Aura Light adds some flair and personality to the phone and can also serve as notifications or mood light. The phone is also very slim and lightweight, measuring 7.5mm thickness and weighing 186 grams. It feels comfortable to hold and use, thanks to the curved edges and the 3D curved screen. The phone has a power button and a volume rocker on the right, a USB-C port, SIM slot, speaker grills, and a microphone on the bottom, and another microphone on the top. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack, but the phone comes with a USB-C to 3.5 adapter in the box. The phone also has an IP68 rating, which means it can withstand dust and water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This is a rare feature in this price range and gives the phone some extra durability and peace of mind. The Vivo V29 5G has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, and a 453 ppi density. The display is one of the best in its class, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, excellent contrast, and wide viewing angles. The display also supports HDR10+, which enhances the dynamic range and the color accuracy of the content, with 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the animation and scrolling smooth and fluid. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and reliable. The display has a punch hole cutout on the top, which houses the selfie camera. The bezels around the display are thin, except for the slightly thicker chin at the bottom. The display is also protected by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which prevents scratches and cracks. Moving on to the performance, the Vivo V29 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, which is a 6nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to octa-core 2.4 GHz. The chipset also has an Adreno 642L GPU, which handles the graphics. The phone comes with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. There is no micro SD card slot, but the storage should be enough for most users. The phone runs on Android 13 with Vivo's FunTouch 13 skin on top. The software is smooth and responsive and offers some useful features such as dark mode, a game mode, a smart sidebar, and a one-handed mode. The software also has some bloatware and ads, which can be annoying and intrusive. The software also lacks some features such as an always-on display, a face unlock, and a screen recorder. The most highlight of this phone are the camera. The Vivo V29 5G has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture and OIS support, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The main camera can take sharp and detailed photos in good lighting, with accurate colors, balanced exposure, and good dynamic range. The main camera also can take decent photo in low light with reduced noise, enhanced brightness, and preserved colors. It can also record 4K videos at 30 frames per second or 1080p videos at 30 frames per second as well. The video quality is good, but the stabilization is not very effective. In terms of front camera, this phone has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, which has an f2.0 aperture. The selfie camera can take high-resolution and detailed selfies with natural skin tones, good exposure, and decent dynamic range. It also can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second with good quality and stabilization. Now, let's talk about the battery performance. This phone has a 4600 mAh battery, which can last for a full day of moderate to heavy usage, or up to 2 days of light usage. The battery life is impressive, considering the high resolution and high refresh rate of the display. The phone also supports 80 watts fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in 40 minutes. But unfortunately, the phone does not support wireless charging, which is a downside, especially for a glass back phone. It has a single button fire speaker, which is loud and clear but lacks of bass and stereo effects. Now, here is my conclusion. The Vivo V29 5G is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers a mix of appealing features. It boasts an intriguing design, a stunning AMOLED 3D curved screen, extended battery life, and a quick charging options, all complemented by promising cameras. However, it falls short in terms of performance and audio quality, which might disappoint gaming enthusiasts and multimedia users. It also faces some tough competition from other brands, which offer better value, performance, or features. The Vivo V29 5G is a good phone, but not a great one. Alright guys, that's our full review of the Vivo V29 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.